If you can observe this problem, here 3 boys and 3 girls are to sit in a row. And we have to find the number of ways that can be done if there are no restrictions, which means that we are having total 6 options and we have to arrange those 6 options in the first case. So we will write it as equal to 6 factorial, or we can write 6p6. Now in the second question it is given that there is girl at each end. So this is the first end for you, this is the second end for you. For filling the first end, you are having 3 options. For filling the second end, you are having 2 options. For filling the rest of the value that is inside this one, we can write it as equal to 4 factorial. Now, you can do the same thing here, that is given as, I will write 3p2. This is the arrangement of girls at the end, and then we are having 4 factorial for arranging the value that is inside the girl region. Now in the third question it is given that boys and girls are at alternate places. So this is the place that boys are occupying initially, which means that girls will place either on this one or on this one. So we can write 3 factorial and we can write 3 factorial. But this case is also alternated by girls also, which means we can place the, instead of boys we can place girls. So we will write it as equal to second case, that is 3 factorial multiply with 3 factorial. Now we have to add these two cases, so we will write it as equal to 2 multiply with 3 factorial multiply with 3 factorial. In the fourth condition it is given that all boys are sit together. So we are having 3 options in which girls can sit, and we are having 4 options here, here, here and here. We can take those boys and sit here, or we can do the same thing with the help of grouping the concept. So what we can do, we can take a group of boys and we will make a group of that, and then these 3 girls are distinct. So the total number of options that we are having, that is equal to 4. So we have to arrange those 4 options, we will write as 4 factorial. But inside the boys can also be arranged, so we will write as equal to 4 factorial multiply with 3 factorial. These all are the answers that you will get in these different type of scenarios.